Pearl, the CEO of Hemp. We're out here in Arizona to show you what we did with the first Kenaf sale of Hemp Inc. Hi, this is Bruce Pearl, the CEO of Hemp Inc. And we're here where we made the first sale of our Kenaf from the Kenaf plant in the video up above us. And this is Nimai. And Nimai, would you like to explain what you bought here from Hemp Inc. and what your plans are for the future with Kenaf and with Hemp?
Yes. This is we bought this product to use on our development out here. We will be mixing the Kenaf in with all the different construction products like the stucco and the adobe in the building of and developing of this 8,400 acres out here in Arizona. This is the first shipment we've gotten from Hemp Inc. It just arrived actually 2 days ago, and
so this fiber, which is now processed, and it's Kenaf, and the plan is to use hemp instead of Kenaf, but right now we're using the Kenaf because that's what okay, so Nimai's job as the project manager out here for a corporation called This Land Is Your Land, Inc., is to use the Hemp Inc.'s products to make paramagnetic hemp cement, hemp adobe, hempcrete, which most of you have heard about, and they incorporate into the construction. So we're demonstrating what we can use, and they're also a very big customer. However, until our container from China gets here with the fiber, or if we get the fiber from Canada, we're going to use the Kenaf fiber, which we own 15 million pounds of in the plant that we just bought. And you saw the hemp fiber bales, and that will go into all the concrete here, and that could just as be the same as hemp. There's the
now
same
we're over to the construction site,
or one of the construction sites where we're using the Kenaf and later hemp. And Nimai, can you explain what you're doing here with this Kenaf fiber?
Well, this is the fiber we just bought from Hemp Inc. And what we're going to be doing with it at this site is we're adding it into this adobe block making machine, and it'll be mixed in with the dirt and a little bit of cement, and we'll be making all the bricks for the walls for the first building around this well here. So that's how we're using this Kenaf right now.
And what is this well again?
This is the well for the. This is the first well house for the development. It's our staging area basically, and we're building a small building around it. We're developing out here 4,500 acres. We're going to use the Kenaf until the other shipments of hemp come in, and we're incorporating the Kenaf and the hemp into all the building materials, whether it be stucco or concrete, for this project out here. So what you're seeing here is a 36-foot dome that we're about to pour the concrete for. This is the first in a series of 9 domes that will be the visitor center for the Kins domain here in Arizona, where we're going to build 2.5-acre parcels with a home and accessory building on each parcel. In total, we're developing 4,500 acres out here. And we're going to be using Kenaf and hemp products in all the building materials.